Hello viewers, again welcome. Today I going to show you very beautiful and amazing styles of yellow shade in honeybee and sunflower decorations ideas for our viewers and subscribers. So these are very interesting and beautiful design. You can place it on you can make it centerpiece for your home, and you can place it on wall, hanging wall decoration, and very beautiful ideas, mixture and combo of burlap art, jute craft, and mixture of honeybee touch and sunflower touch. So it's a yellow touch, we can say that it's a yellow touch, and beautifully designed by the designers and very beautiful crafted by crafters. So hope you like these designs and ideas. And what do you want to watch? Different types of idea. Which types of idea would you like to watch? So I want to share with you all things like that, and we want to bring for you very beautiful best designs for you. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned till the end if you want to watch more designs like this. These are very beautiful and interesting design, and we made for you this video especially. So, and thank you for your good response. If you want to make in yellow touch something, this is a very positive and attractive bright color, dominating color. It's a very dominating color, we can say that. If you like these designs and ideas, follow for more ideas, follow for more designs if you want to like more designs like this. So you can tell us in the comment section, we will try to bring for you yellow designs like sunflower and honeybee. So these designs are very attractive and powerful and also very beautiful, and these designs, you can get these ideas and grow your business with these designs. So first of all, you should take ideas if you're an artist, so you can make it at home and you can grow your business, you can happily decorate your home. So these designs are very more attractive and powerful vision, and it's healthy for mindfulness and great idea for everyone who is want to make and who is want to decorate our home. And jute rope and burlap art, combination of yellow sunflowers, so it would be a really nice combination and beautiful art made with these like of combination. So hope you like the ideas and designs. So stay tuned and watch till the end if you want more designs like this and different types of ideas you want to get. So you can follow our channel and leave your comment in the comment section. We will try to upload whatever you want to watch, whatever you want to say and watch. So we try to bring for you a best design, best ideas for you. And we uploaded pebble art also, but most of the time we uploaded jute craft and burlap art with connection. Combination of these arts are very popular and beautiful. So decoration is the soul of your home, and decorate your home is very mindfulness and great for mind, healthy for mind. So getting these ideas for your home, and you can make very beautiful art box, houses, bird house, and many more ideas like this. And you can create this with the bottles and jute rope plus flowers. You can add and put this on fairy lights and beautiful ideas. So how you feel about that? What do you think about that? So tell me about this in the comment section, and your comment is very precious for us. It would be really nice of you if you there's some times for us, and very thankful to you. So how you feel about these designs and ideas? These designs are very beautiful and powerful. So thank you for watching. Recycle your old things like bottles, jars. You can create with them and make some different types of five designs. Okay, you can make 5 designs, and each design would be masterpiece and different from another one, and it's a variety of your art, and you can post it on social media and then see what will the response about it. and if response will be good, so you can do your business. You can make different types of things with this jute rope and yellow touch, like you can make wreath for upcoming season, and different types of ornaments like candle holder, and you can make pencil holder and lantern with it, and some very large flowers, rustic touch. So